What's going on, guys? It's me, Loginaz here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own free website with your own free domain. So let's get right into the video right now. So first things first, you need to make an account for 000webhost.com. Go ahead and do it. Links in the description. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and create our own website. So let's just go ahead and just say increments. I don't care. Yeah, we're not gonna show that, even though I'm gonna delete the website literally after this. Why did that pop up? I don't know. Alright guys, let's see. Let's name it test 1573. I don't know. Okay. Oh, field's too short. Okay. There. Now it's not too short. Alright. Let's let this thing create here. As that yellow line goes across the screen very, very slowly. Website has been created. Okay. Why did it create two websites? I will never know. Alright. Never. Alright, test 1573 at, Alright, let's go ahead and build the website. Get everything set up. So, let's keep going here. Being slow again. This is slow. It's irritating. Anyway, let's keep going here. Let's not let this... Okay, there it goes. Okay, I want to learn. It's okay, I want to learn. I'm clicking. Hello. Okay. So, are we in? Alright, we're in. Alright, let's just go for entertainment. And, no, C games. Let's select it. Alright. Loading page. Okay, so this is the website that you've created. Now you want to check every one of these up top. The desktop, tablet, and phone. And also the wide, but that's already done. The wide is your TV. The desktop is your computer. So you need to turn that on. All of them on. It will automatically sync with the tablet, the phone, and everything. Also, there will be hidden items, sadly. So make sure you put everything that is really super important on it. Well, that was not good. Voice crack there. But yeah, it will show you the perspective of what the website looks like. And there will be missed stuff, as you can see right here in the hidden items. But you could always redo everything. So we're good on that. So now we're going to go back over here. I've already built my website. Are you sure? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and go to set web address. No. You want to be free. And then you would put your domain in here, which we're going to grab right now. So let's go to Freenom. Alright, I'm a little sick with sinuses, but I'm good. So find your new domain. This is the check thing. So we're going to do test my luck 1573. Quiet. My luck sucks. Okay. Anyway, let's get going. Okay, so these are your free domains. Now, personally, I like to use the .ga. It's way better, and it just, to me, sounds way better. So we're going to go ahead and go with .ga. So now you bought it, you can buy as many of these as you want. Now down here, these are all of the prices for the other ones. So you got .com, .net, .org, info, everything. And there's a lot more. So now we're going to go ahead and head to the checkout. So there's that. Now what you want to do is go to period and change it to 12 months free. Now here's the catch. You have to renew it every 12 months. I believe that's how it goes, but you have to keep renewing it. But make sure you go for 12 months. Set a reminder on your phone, write it on a piece of paper, bring it everywhere with you. Just do that. So I think, yeah, we could do it right here actually. But yeah, we can do it right here. Okay, I wasn't sure. So as you guys can see, use your own DNS and name server and IP address. These are important. So you're going to go ahead and head over here, links in the description, or actually, never mind. These name servers will be in the description, so you just copy and paste. So I already copied the first one. You need both of them. Make sure they're spelled correctly, just in case. So you just paste it, and there we go. Doesn't matter if it's capitalized or lowercase, it doesn't really matter. Now you can't have both of the same, obviously. Name server 1, name server 2. So we're going to go ahead and delete that one, and we're going to go for 2. Now IP address you don't need, so we can continue. Alright. Sorry, sciences. Sorry. Now this is all random information. Just add all random information. And we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and complete the order. I say complete the order. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta push it a little bit. Alright. Now you can go ahead and exit off of it, but I'm not going to. Because first, let's check to make sure. So go to your domains, my domains, you know. Go to manage domain, I'm not saying it right. Go to management tools, name servers. And there they are, all set. Change the name servers. And if it shows green, well, not green, but blue, you're good. So now you can exit off of that if you really wanted to, just to make sure I'm not doing this incorrectly. I'm going to do it like this. Alright, so go back to my domains, add a domain. You're going to park it, and you're going to tap next. So yeah, that's why. So all you have to do is just copy it from here. So I was smart enough not to click off of it. And then again, there's the name servers. Just may luck 1573.ga. Domain has been parked. That means it's ready to go. And you can go ahead and link the website, your website that you just made, your test website here, your only website will be here. You can add a subdomain if you really want to. So I'm going to say test, and now that's a subdomain. And now it's been created. So now go back to your website, and you may publish it, edit it, doesn't matter what you do with it. So we're going to go ahead and publish, and when it says it's ready to go, any minute now, it says it's good. So we're going to go ahead and not do that. We're going to go ahead and copy this, not that, this. We're going to go ahead and go. Okay, work with me. Okay. Alright, there we go. And as you can see, the subdomain and the regular domain is with the website, and it's a perfectly working website. About us, flip-flop through it, and you're good to go. You could also link your own website to it if you really want to. You can link YouTube's website, Twitter's website with the import website option. You just put the URL in, but it won't work because the scripts. So yeah, but that's how you make your own free website with your own free domain. Remember guys, you have to renew your domain every 12 months or to whatever you set it to. It's always going to be free. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.